all, welcome back to my channel Swati Saj Creations. Today's recipe is cheesy brinjal veggie stir fry with cheese grill slice. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Please share it with your friends and family and hit the bell icon for the future notifications. Let's start the recipe. Grate cheese cube in the hot pan. Toast it properly, and once it is toasted, please remove it from the pan. This I will be using it for the garnishing. Heat the pan and put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Put half cup of brinjal. Stir fry properly. At this point of time, do not add salt or anything. It's time to add all other veggies, that is carrot, green bell pepper, zucchini and baby corn. Mix well and keep stir frying. Now add salt and pepper. Grate 1 cheese cube in the stir fry veggies and mix well. Please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family. I hope you like this recipe. It's very easy and healthy.